Hi, and welcome back. Today I'll be reviewing The Midnight Library by Matt Haig. I really enjoyed this book, and for me, I was able to connect with it really well. The Midnight Library is a fascinating and thought provoking novel that takes readers on a journey through the life of Nora Seed, a woman on the brink of giving up. This book is an exploration of choices, regret, and the search for meaning in life. By blending elements of fantasy with deep philosophical themes, the author crafts a story that is both relatable and uplifting. At the start of the book, Nora Seed feels as though she's reached the end of her life. Overcome with disappointed and regret, she decides to end it all. But instead of dying, Nora finds herself in a strange, otherworldly library, the Midnight Library. This library is unlike any place she's known. It's a space between life and death, a place where Nora can explore infinite version of her life, each corresponding to a different path she could have taken. The book in this library represents different versions of Nora's life, each other shaped by a decision she made or didn't make in the past. The central question of the book is what would have happened if she had chosen differently at various moments in her life. The library allows her to open a book and experience an alternative reality to see how her life could have turned out if she had made different choices. But as she moves from one life to another, Nora slowly begins to realize that the perfect life she imagines may not be as ideal as she first thought. This idea of exploring alternate realities is a fascinating concept that makes readers reflect on their own lives. It suggests that there is not just one right way to live, and that our choices, though important, do not define us entirely. It's an intriguing premise that keeps readers engaged, making them wonder what they would do if given the chance to revisit their own past decisions. Nora Seed, the protagonist of the novel, is a complex and very relatable character. She is in her mid 30s and feels like she has wasted her life. Her relationships with family and friends are strained, and she regrets many of the choices she has made. Nora feels disconnected and disillusioned with the world around her, making her an easy character to sympathize with. Many readers can identify with the feeling of looking back on life and wondering if things might have turned out better with different choices. What makes Nora's character even more engaging is her internal struggle. She wants to believe that she has failed and she constantly questions what might have been. As the novel progresses, however, Nora begins to understand that the choices she made, even the ones she regret, were part of her personal growth. Her journey in the Midnight Library is one of self discovery and healing as she learned to forgive herself and appreciate her life for what it is. Heek does an excellent job of capturing Nora's emotional complexity. She is not a character who is defined by her success or failure, but by her vulnerability, fear, and hopes. This makes her a very human and realistic character, and her struggle with self worth will resonate with many readers. Nora's experience in the library centers around the idea of what could have been. She wonders what might have happened if she had followed her dreams, stayed in her relationships, or made different career decisions. These universal thoughts about the road we didn't take are something everyone can relate to at some point in life. The novel explores how regret shapes our perception of the past and how it can limit our sense of possibility in the present. Nora, at the start of the book, believes that her regret defines her, but through her journey in the library, she learns that is not something that should paralyze us. Rather, it is something we can learn to live with. Understanding that life is full of unpredictable turns and that we do the best we can with the information we have at the time. Ultimately, the book conveys a message of hope. While Nora initially believes that she has no place in the world, though her journey in the library, she discovers that it is never too late to change, to grow, or to make new choices. The message of the novel is simple but powerful. Life is messy, unpredictable, and full of ups and downs, but it's always worth living. The novel also addresses the idea of fate versus free will. Are we simple products of the choices we make, or are there forces beyond our control that shape our lives? Nora's experiences in the library suggest that while our choices are important, There are also unpredictable aspects of life that cannot be anticipated. The tension between fate and free will is an interesting philosophical dilemma that the book doesn't try to answer, definitely, but rather allows readers to reflect on for themselves. In the end, she realizes that there is no perfect life, and the notion of perfect life is an illusion. And each decision we make comes with its own set of challenges. I think everyone should read this book once in their life, and I would give this book a 4.5 rating. Get Your Midnight Library by Matt Haig. The link is in description box. Do check out.